God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't.
Hey DBrightSquad, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am filming how to style basics. And basics are basically clothes that you find in your closet that are usually like white tees, black jeans, or denim jeans, denim jackets. So simple clothing like that. And so today I'm going to show you how you can turn something simple like that into something stylish, fashionable, and all sorts of stuff. So let's get started. This for style uses a simple white t-shirt, which is an essential and can help create so many different outfits. So to spice it up, we will add a long rib knit cardigan on top, then a vintage high skinny jean, and then a belt to add some style, a little bit more of your personal style, black boots, and here are some examples of how that look would look all together. Style 2 includes black jeans. Everyone has black jeans in their closet, and I'm about to take it from basic to stylish. So we're going to start out with a long sleeve high neck gray top with unique black boots, and then we're going to spice it up and include a bold statement necklace, and then a felted wool blend beige coat to top it off, and it's going to make it so much more stylish. So style 3 includes a loose black dress, which can be very simple and basic, but we're going to spice it up and add some patterns and make it really fashionable. So we're going to add right on top of that dress a patterned silk kimono, and then we're going to add a loose long silver necklace just to bring the attention to that. And then we're going to wear it with shiny black ankle length boots, and that's just going to bring it all together. It's going to look really good. It's going to look fashionista. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye DBrightSquad.